What is up, everybody? Thanks for joining me today. This is episode number one. Um, this channel is going to focus on my portfolio and how I'm going to take this from 81,000 that you see right now to at least $250,000. I didn't have this much when I started off, obviously. I worked hard to get here. It's been a good couple of weeks, and it's been a very bad year so far. At one point, I was up almost $113,000, if you can see on my portfolio value, um, with net deposits of 81,000. But if you look at the chart as Mr. Trump announced his tariffs and he came into power, the portfolio has just been dropping. But like someone great said, I think in investing, buy the dips. Dips are gifts. Um, so I've been doing a lot of that, and yeah, more or less, if you look at my all time, I'm still down a few $1,000s compared to what I invested. I mean, it's not all bad. So back in November 11th, I was at this point too with $112,000 in my portfolio, and fortunately, I sold a lot of it to buy a home here in Canada. So yeah, so this is my Canadian account. So I have a TFSA for 68, which is slightly up, and I have a crypto, which is with a lot of altcoins, which is doing terrible at the moment. Was doing pretty well back in the day. So yeah, um, good news. November 11th, I pulled a lot of money out, bought a home in Canada, in a tier two city, not the big Toronto, Vancouver's of Canada, but a smaller city. Bought something I could afford, and luckily got out of the market unintentionally. I was complaining to myself at that point as to why did I have to pull this money out. I could make a lot more if I just left it in there, but everything happens for a reason. So I will kind of break down all the holdings in my portfolio. This channel will obviously monitor my journey, hopefully up to 250,000 first, and then way higher if possible. I'm really trying to work on increasing the tax-free savings account component of my account. Um, so we'll see how that goes. I've made a lot of money in this account. Lost a little, made more, I would say. I have some big winners like Coinbase here with 114% up. Uh, yeah, my cost basis for this is somewhere around $8,000 American dollars, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I've made way over uh, yeah, almost $10,000 on this one stock, which is my biggest play. Apart from that, yeah, it's a lot of crypto. You'll see Bitcoin, uh, Ethereum, which is my worst so far. I'm down $4,500. God damn Ethereum! It's disappointed a lot of us this cycle. Uh, Apart from that, I've got a lot of miners here, and this I would consider to be the most interesting part of my portfolio, which is high income diversified mutual fund, which is currently paying 23%. So as I make money with crypto, my aim would be to move most of my profits to this ETF, HHIS, and definitely buy a lot more Tesla if possible. So, so far this year, I've already contributed almost 14,000, over $13,500 a year, and yeah, I buy every day. I buy every day. I have RIP set up, a regular investment plan, in which I'm buying some gold, some Tesla, the ETF that I talked about, HHIS. It's a covered call with mainly tech and the other bigger companies, with a covered call strategy that pays out 23% monthly dividends, and Bitcoin. So I'm buying Bitcoin, HHIS, Tesla, and gold every freaking day the market's open. I just want to average into these assets. I truly believe in these four assets for the long term. And I'm really hoping that my Coinbase position helps me move even more money into these. So Coinbase is right now at $205. I've seen it go all the way up to 300 and some when the market was doing really well, but I still did not sell a single share. Matter of fact, I bought more when the stock went down to 170, 175. It's buying every day at some point, 151. So I'm truly invested in this stock, and yeah, we'll see how it does for me in the long run. But this is just a brief idea. We'll talk more about my portfolio in the coming videos. But for now, it's 81,285 as of April 29th, 2025. See you guys later.